So here's your thread. You're going to bring it up behind and come in through this hole, in through this hole, in here, around the washer, and then back through. So you're back through, bring it to your bobbin. Whoops. Again, trying to do this one-handed. Wind it around a few times. And then take the end and put it through one of these holes. When it's through one of those holes, hold this string tight for a little bit. Whoops, put this thing down. Hold the string tight for a little bit while it winds. And then you can go ahead and cut the string and continue winding. So I snip the thread, and what will happen is this thing will pop up when it's done winding and the bobbin is full. I usually go through about 2 or 3 bobbins with a project. And it has stopped and clicked up, so when you're done winding, you can put this in here like this, and then cut it, and then it's going to hold that thread up and out of the way until you're ready. So here's my bobbin case. Here's my bobbin. Now see how it's going counterclockwise? That's the way you want it to go in. You put it in there, and it's like a really small bobbin case, and then you feed it through that little slit there, and then up here to put it in. So see how it's it's fed up. This is really hard to do one-handed, holy moly. You just slip it back in. Oops, get in there. Trying to do one-handed. So this is right there. Make sure your bobbin thread is in between this little slit. I'm not. Okay, so it's in. See how it's kind of in between that little slit there? And you push this thing down. And then before closing, you're going to bring your needle down. Oops, I didn't hold back my thread. Oopsies, 1 sec. You hold back this thread, you put your needle down, it'll come around and grab this thread and then pull this up to bring it through.